Welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the 4 phases of the menstrual cycle and how each phase affects energy, focus, exercise, eating habits, and even emotional connections. It's not just biology, it's a full-body rhythm that, when understood, can help people live more in tune with themselves. Let's explore it together. So, here's a question to think about. What if planning life, work, relationships, even workouts around the cycle made everything smoother? The journey begins with the menstrual phase, which lasts around 3 to 7 days. During this time, the uterine lining sheds, leading to the bleeding that marks the beginning of the cycle. Estrogen drops sharply, and the body shifts inward. This is a time for introspection, rest, and gentle reflection. The brain actually strengthens the connection between the right and left hemispheres, making this phase ideal for self-analysis and emotional clarity. Physical energy is lower, so movement should be minimal. Think stretching, gentle yoga, or relaxed walking. It's a good idea to avoid intense workouts. The body is naturally in a recovery mode, and pushing it hard can cause more harm than benefit. Meditation, journaling, and quiet time are incredibly supportive during this phase. Emotionally, people often feel like retreating, and that's not just okay, it's necessary. Rest is not a luxury here, it's the main prescription. Then comes the follicular phase, which usually lasts 7 to 10 days. Estrogen starts to rise again, and the brain and body wake up. The hypothalamus sends signals to stimulate follicle growth in the ovaries, and the body prepares for ovulation. This phase is known for increased physical and mental energy. It's the perfect time for starting new projects, tackling mentally challenging tasks, brainstorming ideas, or attending social events. This is also the best phase for intense workouts. The body can handle more, and muscle recovery is strong. Creativity is high, and emotions are light and optimistic. Socializing becomes easier, and there's a greater desire to explore new experiences. The mind is sharp, learning becomes easier, and it's easier to step out of comfort zones. It's a powerful phase, and one that rewards bold moves. Next is the ovulatory phase, lasting around 3 to 4 days. This is when one egg is released from the ovary, and the body enters its peak fertility window. Hormones, particularly testosterone and estrogen, reach high levels, which enhances sociability, communication skills, and confidence. Physically, some may feel slight discomfort in the lower abdomen, or experience mild headaches or back pain, but overall energy remains high. This phase is ideal for having important conversations, making requests, pitching ideas, or even going on a first date. Emotional connections become clearer, and people are more articulate and open. It's also a great time to connect deeply with a partner or share personal goals with close friends or family. Others are more receptive to input during this time too, so it's a powerful window for influence. Finally comes the luteal phase, which can last from 10 to 14 days. Progesterone rises and sends a message to the uterine lining to stabilize in case of pregnancy. This hormone also signals the body to slow down. Toward the end of this phase, premenstrual symptoms begin. Bloating, fatigue, irritability, cravings, and mood swings are common. This phase calls for turning inward again. Emotional sensitivity rises, and so does the need for personal space. It's a great time to focus on household tasks, planning, organizing, and setting up systems, both at home and in life. Many people find they want to clean, reorganize, or even rethink finances and schedules during this time. Socializing may feel draining, so reducing obligations can be helpful. Paying attention to how energy shifts is key. The body is preparing for rest again. So, back to our question. What if planning around this natural rhythm helped us avoid burnout, feel more in sync, and live better? The answer lies in understanding that the cycle isn't something to fight, it's something to follow. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you better understand your body or the people around you, Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.